Welcome to a new video. We're going to be doing a clean with me. Of course, I've got to get into some comfy clothes and get my hair up out of the way before we can get started. Alexa, play Folklore by Taylor Swift. Obviously, we have to get some tunes going, and Folklore has been my current jam. If you have listened to Folklore, please comment down below what is your favorite song. I'm dying to know. The purpose of today's video is not to show you how to clean your house, because I'm pretty sure most of us do know how. If you don't, ask me. Maybe I can make a video about how to clean and my favorite products, but I really just wanted to make today's video inspiring to all of you, because that is what YouTube is for me, and I know that is what it is for many of you. For me, a calm house equals a calm heart equals a calm life. Erica Lane. I've mentioned briefly on this channel some of my journey through working through mental health and some of my anxiety and depression, and something in the last year that I have discovered just really truly helps me feel at peace is putting things in their place, cleaning up after myself, and living in an environment that is not chaotic. I don't know if you can relate to this, but for me personally, there have been many days that I want to get the house cleaned, I want to get my checklist done, but I don't have the motivation to do it. I don't have that internal motivation to get that thing accomplished. And some days just the thought of doing the dishes is exhausting, and I am with you and I relate if you have ever felt that way. So I want to encourage you that just doing a little bit at a time will really help you out. Just set a 30-minute timer and get what you can done, and I promise you, you will not regret doing that task and cleaning that thing.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? How to start in a liquefy? Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay.
Of course, you need to treat yourself, so I'm treating myself to some Croix with a little pop of orange juice in a wine glass, just to feel a little fancy, Gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
Kondo said, "The objective of cleaning is not just to clean, but to feel happiness living within that environment." I definitely relate to this as well, going off of what I mentioned before. It is a lot of work to keep up with your house, and I'm definitely relating to those of you who, like I said, get exhausted by the thought of having to clean. But having that clean house brings so much happiness and so much peace when you can sit down at the end of the day and not be surrounded by a chaotic mess. We have so many chaotic thoughts and troubling things that we work through in our mind and in our personal lives. But if we can keep our house unchaotic, that's just our little retreat and our little oasis from the difficult and messy times that life brings.
Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
Along with having a clean house, there's also a huge sense of accomplishment that you feel at the end of your cleaning tasks. And whether that is getting the whole house done in a few hours or just taking 15 minutes to dust something off or wipe something down, there's so much accomplishment. And for me personally, with dealing with mental health, having an accomplishment under my belt and saying, I did something today and I had purpose today is amazing. It's an amazing feeling. So that is another just tip and encouragement I have for you. If you're just feeling down, just check something off. It will make you feel better than you think it will.
To the love that shines in mine, and I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you, and when you go, leave me here all alone. I'll be waiting, can't make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting, I'll call you mine.
I wanted to make sure I also let you guys know that if you are struggling and you are feeling weighed down by even thinking about cleaning, that's okay too. And it is totally okay to not have a perfectly clean house and to have some messes and to not get everything done on your list. I'm a big promoter of making sure that you take time for yourself and making sure that you're checking in with your mind and body and you're not just go, hustle culture all the time. So I think there's a great balance that needs to be found, and you can find that for yourself by just listening to yourself and not forcing yourself to do things, but also holding yourself accountable and making sure that you are living your best life.
Waiting, I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far.
And with that, I wanted to leave you guys with one last thought. The best project you will ever work on is yourself. I want you to know that if you are struggling and you just feel as if no one understands, and that maybe this pain and hurt that you're feeling or this emptiness or loneliness that you're feeling will never end, you are not alone. And I promise you that life has its ups and downs, and one day you'll look back and be so thankful that you pushed through and that you did the best that you could. And with that, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time.
'Cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby.